Very good morning. Thanks for joining. So there's a continuation part of Windows and system monitoring. So yesterday we discussed about Windows system sysinternal tool suite that we had downloaded from Microsoft site. And today few tools we can check that. And so based on that, so when you're working on the real-time environment, you can use these tools. Okay. So there's so many tools are provided in this. Okay. So all are free tools, no license is required. So let's go to the first one, access check. So there are two tools are available, access check and access check 64. So 32-bit and 62-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit, two types of applications are there. Based on your operating system, you need to run. So nowadays, everybody are using 64-bit operating system only. So you can run directly 64. Access check. Can you please double click and click run that and click agree. Once again, you have to click on that application. Yes. Any pop-up is coming in your system?
No,
No.
no. I think small application is there. No, that's fine.
Can
7.
you please run the first one? Actually, we need to run 64 only. So do one thing, go to start. There is a command prompt is there. So
Yes.
in that command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Run as administrator. Okay. So now here you can type a cd space Windows backslash system 32.
Shortcut is required. Full
No, no,
form.
no. Full name system 32. Hit enter. Mm. Can you please type a cd space Windows? Just type Windows. Enter. Not working. Then cd space / Windows. Enter. Okay. Then cd space / system 32. Enter. What happened? Now can type ls dir. Type dir.
Enter.
Enter. Here system 32 is there, right? Yeah, it is available. So cd space sys space, you can type tab. You can type tab. Don't give space. Sorry. Don't give space. Don't give any space. No, no, no. ట్యాబ్ అంటే టీఏబి ట్యాబ్ కాదండి. మీ
Okay.
కీబోర్డ్లో ట్యాబ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ
Oh,
ప్రెస్ చేయండి.
okay.
జస్ట్
Okay.
హిట్ ద ట్యాబ్.
Okay.
ఓకే, యూ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ got it, right? Just
Yes.
number 3. Just type number 3 and hit tab once again. Now can hit enter. Okay, now got it. I think maybe previously you entered wrong spelling. That's the reason.
Small letters we are provided. That
Right.
will capital letters that will type.
Yes, yes. Clear screen. Clear screen.
CLR.
C- CLS. Okay. So next command is access check. Access check ACCESSCHK space double quotes
Sorry.
double quotes. Between the double quotes, you can type power space users. Power space users. Hit enter. Internal command is not recognizing. Hmm. So do one thing. Already you have downloaded the sys internal suite, right?
Yes.
The sys internal suite. Can
Yes.
you copy the path? Can you copy the path?
32K or
అట్లా కాదండి.
okay.
ఫస్ట్ మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకున్న పాత్ ఉంది కదా పైన, దాన్ని కాపీ చేసుకోండి, రైట్? ఇన్ ద టాప్ వ్యూ, the whatever the path is there, just you have to select that one, copy the path. Yeah, copy the path. Yeah. Now we can go back to the command prompt, type cd space and paste that link and hit enter. Perfect. Now you can type, the command is dot backslash access check. As it is, you need to type that application name,
Okay.
access check.exe, access check.exe space hyphen a space Administrators. A should be capital. Administrators. Then after that space, you can give star. Star means shift 8. Shift 8. Hit enter now. Command is not working.
Is it dot exe or exec? Exec.
Exe.
Okay.
Exe. Oh, okay. Exe and exe. Type the same command, not C. It's a E. Hit enter. Perfect. Perfect. See, guys. So now the access check, the tool, which is finding that what are the privileges for the operating system. So all the permission list, the pulling from the OS level, the information is showing here. Okay. So this is called access check. Access check means what are the privilege access on the particular system for the administrator. It is finding it. That is a use of access check. So access check is a tool which we can find out for the users what are the possible effective permissions on the particular system, either local system or domain system, we can find out. This is called access check tool. Got it? Next step. Minimize that command prompt. Minimize the command prompt. Next, what we can do. There is a tool name called bginfo.exe, bginfo64.exe. There is a tool is that, right? Bginfo. Bginfo means background information. Bginfo means background information. So this tool, just you can copy one of the tool. So one of the tool you can copy. Bginfo, you can copy the tool. You can copy the 64. You can copy the 64. Yeah. And minimize the screen and paste this application on the desktop. Paste the application on the desktop. Now, in the right side, there is some information is going. Host name, instance ID, public IPv4. This information actually getting connected from BG info only. Okay, background information about the system. Now, can double click on the BG info. Double click on the BG info. Run it. యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయండి, దాని గురించి అడగాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Okay.
So now this is the BG info information is there. So the by default a few information is there. Based on that, if you need, if you don't want, you can customize it. See that? Once you submit that, it will pull the information from your system. The complete total information is showing on the desktop screen itself. You don't want to go and look at it. So most of the real-time environment, the BG info tool you are using, so that when you're logging it, you don't want to go and check the system information. What is the network type? What is the OS type? What is the OS package? What is the snapshot time taken? What is the username we are logged in? What is the volume of C drive? What is the domain we are logged in? What is IP address of the system? So everything will be showing here in the screen. This is called BG info, background information. Got it? Maybe if you don't want all the information, you want to display only few information, you can modify based on your taste. So can you please open the once again BG Info 64? Can you maximize the window, please? So whichever the information you don't want, you can remove that line. Few lines you can remove it, please. In that list, few lines you can remove it.
Directly we can
You
remove
can
it.
remove, not a problem. You can select and remove it.
Okay.
రిమూవ్ చేయండి, ఇంకొన్ని రిమూవ్ చేయండి,
Okay.
తెలుస్తుంది మీకు. So now, even the background position you can set. So right side, there's a position is that. Can you please select the position?
Yes.
See here, now the dot was selected in the right bottom corner. Maybe if you want to display this information, maybe center of the screen, maybe right side, or maybe middle of the screen, you can select middle of the screen, middle dot. Yeah, click OK. Mostly in the right side only it will be displaying. Apply, click OK. Apply and click OK. See, the position is changed. This is the way the BZ info will be setting up for the operating system. You can easily find out which user you are currently logged in, what it is. Go back to the sys internal tools. Scroll down. Okay. Now there is an option. There is a tool name called Diskmon 64. Diskmon 64.
Yeah.
Can you please double click and open that? So this is disk monitor. Okay. This is a disk monitor. Suppose how many writes are happening in the particular hard disk. So that information will be showing here. So that you can check the health of the hard disk, whether writes are accepting or not, we can able to find out it. Gradually, if you're using any system for a longer period of time, the read and write capacity will get decreased because of the system. It's a physical hard disk, right? So if we keep on using that, there is a chances of you're losing the capacity. Okay, so by using this disk monitor, read capacity and write capacity, we can monitor it, whether it is working or not. So keep on generating any kind of data and storing on the server, we can find out here. It's a disk monitor. Close this tool. Next, disk view 64. Can you please click refresh in the bottom of the screen? Your hard disk scanning is going now. The whatever the drive you have created for the operating system, that's a C drive. The C drive completely it will get scanning and it will show you any kind of bad sectors are available. but my suggestion, maybe this is not that much of effective tool. Okay. So disk part is the disk part command is there. Disk part is one of the best disk dskchk command is there. That is the best command for finding the disk health check. It takes some time. Please wait. Do not close the window.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. See, you can see this C colon backslash page sys file. The process cannot be accessed because of being used. I told you, no. So the system was very low configuration what we created. Okay. So the page file dot sys file means it's a RAM file. Okay. Not only your memory, that's the RAM was acting as a memory and you can run your operating system. Even your hard disk also act as a file name called page sys file is there. This also will act as a memory file and you can run it. So for every system in a hard disk, few sizes, the storage will be converting into memory file and you can run your process. Example, the calculation is 1 into 1.5. 1 into 1.5. So that means example 2 GB of RAM if you are using, the page file size is 2 into 1.5. 2 into 1.5 means what? 3 GB of page
Principle.
sys file will be there. Suppose if you are a 8 GB of RAM if you are using 8 into 1.5, that means 12 GB of page sys file will be there. Okay, that will be created automatically. Okay, so right now this is created with a very less configuration. Definitely some problem will be there. So when we are creating in the real-time environment, we will at least creating the C drive space will be 80 GB or 100 GB, and the RAM should be above 4 GB RAM. We are creating it. Okay, yeah, click OK, and there is an option called export option. Export. Yeah, you can click export. So now you can go to the desktop and you can put any name and you can save it. Disk view, you can type disk view and save it. Now can close this window. Now can close this window. Now can minimize the current window and you can open the desktop and open that file. So
Yes.
there's a disk file is there. Yeah, open that.
Notepad.
Notepad. Just notepad. Just notepad. You can open it. Maybe if you unknown format, it will not open. If it is a known format, it will ask the tool to open the view. So probably is the same disk view software is required to open the disk view, maybe after some time. It is not working. So whatever the scanning was done, the scanning information will be exported and saving in this file. Okay. So now again, if you want to view this information, maybe disk view folder, disk view sysinternal file is required. So go back to the sysinternal tools, other tools. Scroll down. There is a tool name called DU64. DU64, open it. Double click. Run. It is closed automatically.
Yes.
Okay, then scroll down. There is a log on session 64 is there. Can you please open that? Log on session. Click yes. Yeah. This is what are the log on session for this operating system. That information is finding out it. And there's one more tool name called procmon. Can you please find out the procmon? Procmon. Process monitor.
Yeah. Below is
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Procmon
Procmon.
64 or yeah, 64, right?
64 you can add. This is the process monitor. In your system, what are the processor running currently? The processor complete information will be displaying here. So based on that, you can identify what is utilization of the process explorer. This is one of the important tool we are using regularly for monitoring of server health check. Example, can you please maximize the screen? Maximize the window, please. Yeah, right. So now you can see here, there is a process name is running. msmp.eng.exe is there. So based on that, the service is running. Suppose in the same machine, you already installed Google Chrome, right? Can you
Yes.
please run parallelly Google Chrome? Minimize this system, minimize this console, and run the Google Chrome application. Slow on the system, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now can open the Process Explorer. Already open, right? The console. Just open it. Okay. The previously the disk view also the information was loaded. Okay, no problem. You can close this. Yeah. Now you can open the disk view. ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ చేశారు కదా మీరు కన్సోల్ని. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్?
Yeah.
ఆ కన్సోల్ ఓపెన్
Screen.
కావట్లేదా?
Disk view notepad.
Huh?
Open అయింది. Disk view ఓపెన్ అయింది.
మాకు కనబడట్లేదండి.
ఓపెన్ అయింది.
No.
Okay.
The Process Explorer screen is not visible as. మీకు కనబడుతుందా ప్రాసెస్
నాకు
ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్?
కనపడుతుంది.
అయితే స్క్రీన్ స్టాప్ చేసి ప్రెజెంట్ చేయండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి.
disk view notepad.
డిస్క్ వ్యూ కాదండి, డిస్క్ వ్యూ అయిపోయింది ఎప్పుడో, మన
Okay,
కాన్సెప్ట్
okay.
నేర్చేసుకున్నాం. సరేనా, కానీ క్లోజ్ దట్ వన్, మినిమైజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం, క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి.
Okay.
ఇందాక మనం ప్రాసెస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే విండో ఓపెన్ అయింది కదా, ఆ విండో ఎక్కడ?
విండో అది క్లోజ్ చేసేసామండి.
లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఫ్రెష్గా ఓపెన్ చేయండి ప్రాసెస్
చేస్తాను.
ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్. Procman, yeah. You can see this. Explore.exe is there. Huh?
Yes.
So in the explore.exe, what are the browser is running? The browser backend, the main service is called explore.exe. Okay. So that you can completely, you can read the information, what is this application and what is the process ID it is running. Maybe if this particular process is utilizing more CPU utilization, more memory utilization, we can kill this process out of all the processes that we can check that. That's one of the best tool we are using nowadays. Just whatever the small window you open, you can close it. Small window you have opened, right? You can close it. Now in the top view, there is a funnel symbol, is there, right? Funnel symbol. There's a filter.
Filter, yeah.
Yeah, you can click on the filter. Now you can find out what is the process you're looking for it. Okay. Then you can click OK and you can find out it. See, there is some columns are provided here. The column. These are the columns. Based on that, your information you are able to find out it. Just you have to scroll to write the column name. You'll get complete information. ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్ లో, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో కాలమ్ అని ఉంది కదండి, కాలమ్ ని కొద్దిగా రైట్ తీసుకోండి. See here, process name, operation, result, path. So based on that only the backend, the information you are able to find out it. Okay. And click cancel. Click cancel. Suppose this particular 3992 process you want to find out from your task manager also. How you can find out it? Go to the task manager. So this is a basic view of your application. This is a task manager. What are the task processes are running here? There's a detailed view is a left side screen. That's called process monitor. This is a basic view in the right side. This is a full view. Now, can you please select the Google Chrome here in the right side? And you can expand that one. The before that Google Chrome, there is an arrow mark is there. Just you have to expand that one. See, there's a new tab you have opened. In the new tab, Google Chrome was running here. Now can right click on this particular Google Chrome application. Right click on the Google Chrome application. There is an option called go to details.
Yeah.
Go to details.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So now you can see this. The application, the task manager is showing in detail. So who is using this particular application? And what is the process ID is currently running here? But you can check this in the left side, the explore.exe 3992 is there. So what is meaning of explore.exe? Explore.exe is different. and the browser explore.exe is different. Okay, now you can see that in the right side, you can little bit scroll down. There's a explore.exe is running on the 3992 process ID. Can you please select that one?
Yes, this one.
రైట్ సైడ్ లో మీకు
చేసి
explore.exe అని
select
ఒకటి ఉంది
చేసి
చూడండి.
select
చూడండి.
చేసి
Now
చేశాను.
this is a 3992 and used by administrator, and now memory is a 68, some fluctuation is going now, and the application name is a Windows Explorer. So the explorer.exe is not a browser here. It is a Windows Explorer console. Whatever you are opening and you are running that's related information. So you have open registry, you have open some drives information. Those works will be utilizing this system. Now in the left side, can you please find out? Can you please find out Chrome.exe? Chrome.exe in the left side. Can you please little bit scroll down and you can find out it? Can you please click on the process name? It will give that A to Z alphabetically. It will show you. Click on the process name. Yeah, click on that. ఒకసారి click చేయండి.
Click. Oh, not
రావట్లేదా?
రావట్లేదు.
So then you can scroll down. Scroll down.
Yeah. Explore.exe.
No. Explore.exe is a Windows Explorer only. Okay. We need a Chrome.exe. రైట్ తీసుకునేసి కొద్దిగా ఫాస్ట్ గా స్క్రోల్ డౌన్ చేస్తారా? రైట్ సైడ్ లో. In the right side, there is a toggle button is there, right? Use the toggle
Yeah.
button. Can you scroll down?
This one, right? So,
రైట్ సైడ్ అండి. రైట్ సైడ్ మనకి ఒక చిన్న స్క్రోలింగ్ డౌన్ కి ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంది కదా.
అదే యూజ్ చేస్తుంది.
అది కాదండి, దాని పైన ఉంది కదా మధ్యలో.
ఓకే ఓకే.
దాన్ని పట్టుకొని ఫాస్ట్ గా వస్తాం. Stop. Later we'll scroll up. Yeah. See guys, this is a chrome.exe currently running. The result is showing is a success. Result is showing a success. Yeah. The result is showing success. In case of any problem is there in the application, it will show some result value, error, failure. These options will be showing in the right side. So based on that, we can check that whether chrome.exe it's working or not. ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్ లో రిజల్ట్ అని ఉంది చూడండి. 4th tab 5th tab ఉంది చూడండి.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
this one. So if the application is working fine, it will give that. Can you able to kill the process? Just right click on the chrome.exe. Is there any process called end task?
Exclude is there.
Huh?
No.
No, right?
Yes.
So no. But in the task manager, you can able to end the session.
Yes.
You can go to the task manager, select the chrome.exe process.
Yes.
Chrome.exe process, not explore. Not explore. మళ్ళా చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు.
Chrome data.
Yeah.
Chrome data.
End process tree. End process tree. End process tree means all related chrome.exe will get closed. The second option, end process tree.
Yes.
Yeah, click on that. End process tree. The complete Chrome will get closed. Okay, next, in the left side, process monitor, there is a search option is there. There is a search option.
Yes.
Can you please click on set? If anything you want to find it, like just chrome.exe, chrome.exe, you can find out it. Okay, now can directly it will show you chrome.exe. And there is a target symbol is there, right? Target symbol, target,
Yeah.
red
Yeah.
one, circle.
Yeah. Yes.
So this is include process from window. So just you have to click on that. Just you have to click on that. When you click on that, just you have to just scroll your దాని ఏం చేస్తారంటే మీరు మౌస్ ని దాంతో పట్టుకుని
Okay.
ఆ టార్గెట్ ని పట్టుకుని మీరు ఏదైనా అప్లికేషన్ మానిటర్ చేద్దామంటే ఆ మానిటర్ మీద వదలండి. జస్ట్ హోల్డ్ ఇట్. నేను చెప్పేది వినండి రాజా.
Okay.
రాజా, వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. జస్ట్ హోల్డ్ ద బటన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మౌస్. ఓకే,
Okay.
జస్ట్ గో టు రైట్ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్. గో టు రైట్ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్. పట్టుకునే ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు?
లేదు.
యా, జస్ట్ హోల్డ్ ఇట్. లెఫ్ట్ మౌస్ బటన్ అట్లా పట్టుకోండి ఒకసారి
Okay.
సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత.
Okay.
దేన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోమని చెప్తున్నా తెలుసా? టార్గెట్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోమని చెప్తున్నా.
Okay.
యా, యూ కెన్ హోల్డ్ ఇట్. యా, మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక దాని మీద వదిలేయండి. నౌ కెన్ లీవ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద విండోస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్. మీ కంట్రోల్, ఐ థింక్ యూఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ. గివ్ మీ కంట్రోల్. స్టాప్ కంట్రోల్. మళ్ళీ చెప్పేది వినండి, నేను మళ్ళీ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ఇంగ్లీష్లో, సరేనా? స్క్రీన్ని రెండుగా పెట్టుకోండి, ఓకేనా? మినిమైజ్ చేసుకోండి, పెద్దది పెట్టుకోవద్దండి, ఓకేనా? ఏమవుతుందంటే టార్గెట్ ని మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మౌస్ తో పట్టుకుని ఏదైనా పర్టికులర్ అప్లికేషన్ మాత్రమే మానిటర్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే అప్లికేషన్ మీద తీసుకెళ్లే కర్సర్ వదిలేస్తే దాన్ని మాత్రమే మానిటర్ చేస్తుంది. అర్థమవుతుందని నేను చెప్పేది? కింద దాన్ని ఏం సెలెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు, కింద వాటిని ఏమి టచ్ చేయొద్దు. ఓన్లీ టార్గెట్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇంకా కన్సోల్ ఉండకూడదు, బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసేసి వదలకూడదు, మౌస్ ని వదలకూడదు. మీరు ఏ అప్లికేషన్ అయితే మానిటర్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే అప్లికేషన్ మీద కర్సర్ ని వదలాల. ఓకే, రైట్. So now the back end there is a Windows Explorer is there. Okay. Now just hold your target. Just hold your target and just to scroll up your screen. Just to scroll your mouse up. Just to scroll your mouse up. వదలకూడదు, వదిలేస్తున్నారు మీరు.
వదలలేదు.
అయ్యో, మీరు మళ్ళా ఈ రైట్ డౌన్ ఏమి చేయొద్దు రాజా. ఈ టార్గెట్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ ని టార్గెట్ అంటున్నా నేను యాక్చువల్గా. ఓకే, దీని మీద మౌస్ మీరు ఒకసారి ప్రెస్ చేసిన తర్వాత నేను వదిలేంత వరకు వదలొద్దు.
ఓకే,
రైట్. జస్ట్ సీ దిస్, దెర్ ఇస్ సమ్ టార్గెట్ సింబల్ ఇస్ షోయింగ్ నౌ. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు హోల్డ్ ఇట్. హోల్డ్ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు వదిలేయండి, ఇప్పుడు వదిలేయండి, వదిలేయండి. జస్ట్ లీవ్ దట్ మౌస్. జస్ట్ లీవ్ ద మౌస్. So now you can see this only explore.exe is showing now. Suppose any other application is there in your system. Internet Explorer is there, right? Internet Explorer. Can you please open Internet Explorer? గూగుల్ క్రోమ్ అంతా క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి. గూగుల్ క్రోమ్ అంతా క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి. ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ చేసి క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి. Yeah, perfect. Now what you need to do, open the Process Explorer which you already opened. బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో ఉంచుకోండి. బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ ఉంచుకోండి. దాని పైన ప్రాసెస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ ఉంచుకోండి, ఇంకేం ఉంచుకోండి, సరేనా? బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో మీరు ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ ఓపెన్ చేశారు కదా, దాన్ని మ్యాక్సిమైజ్ చేసుకోండి, సరేనా?
ఓకే.
I think you are not open the Internet Explorer, brother. Internet Explorer browser ni మీరు ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు. Can you please maximize the window? Yeah. Now can open the Process Explorer. Now what I'm trying to explain is just I want to focus only Internet Explorer. Only Internet Explorer I want to monitor it. Okay na? మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ లేదు ఒక సెట్టింగ్ సింబల్ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టాను, క్లోజ్ చేసేకూడదు. Yeah, perfect. Now can I open the Process Explorer? Yeah, perfect. మధ్యలో పెట్టుకోండి ఆ కర్సర్ని. సారీ, మధ్యలో పెట్టుకోండి. విండోని కొద్దిగా డౌన్ చేయండి. రైట్, పర్ఫెక్ట్. నౌ కెన్ హోల్డ్ ద టార్గెట్. నౌ కెన్ హోల్డ్ ద టార్గెట్. హోల్డ్ ద టార్గెట్ మీన్స్ అంటే ఆ రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని నేను టార్గెట్ అంటున్నా నేను. జస్ట్ హోల్డ్ యువర్ మౌస్. అంటే మీ మౌస్ లో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ బటన్ ని పట్టుకోండి. నౌ దెర్ ఇస్ సమ్ టార్గెట్ ఇస్ షోయింగ్. నౌ జస్ట్ స్క్రోల్ అప్ లిటిల్ బిట్ మౌస్. పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి మౌస్ ని. మౌస్ ని పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి. కొద్దిగా పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి. పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి కొద్దిగా. నౌ కెన్ ఇంకొద్దిగా పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి. ఇక్కడ వదిలేయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వదిలేయండి. సెలెక్ట్ చేసేసి వదిలేయండి. సరిగా పని చేయట్లేదు యాక్చువల్గా. చేస్తున్నది. ఇన్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్, ప్రాసెస్ మానిటర్, స్క్రోల్ ఆన్ ద టాప్. మీరు పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి. నేను ఒకసారి మానిటర్ వస్తుంది లేదా చూద్దాం. నో, ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్. లెట్ మీ డూ మై సిస్టమ్. నేను చేస్తాను అండి. సో కెన్ ప్లీజ్ స్టాప్ ద స్క్రీన్ షేర్. Please stop the screen share. I'll do it from my system. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Sys internal tools. Go here. So this is a process monitor. Rockmon. Run as administrator. So now, suppose just I want to monitor this particular process. Just I hold it. No, I just hold it here. So include process from window. Then I'll do one more tool in this case. Fiddler download tool is there. Can you please go on mute, Raja?
Yeah.
So there is a tool name called Fiddler. So Fiddler is actually, it's a free tool. We can use for web monitoring purpose. We are using it, Fiddler. So try Fiddler from everywhere, and I'm just downloading it. Okay. Even it's a full package also you can purchase from this Telerik Fiddler company. Finish. So this is a tool. Just click. Only for me or everyone in this computer can use it. I'm only for running this. Tool is not working. I'll show you some at least pics. Okay, you can see this, guys. You're able to see this window? Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is a Fiddler tool is there. Actually, previously free and now it is a paid also is available. Okay. Suppose you are working on your Amazon EC2 instances, any particular server, maybe not only Amazon, any machine, and you are checking that the websites whether it is accessible or not, whether it is working or not, we can find out it. So once you open the particular Fiddler tool, you can open the browser from your Internet Explorer or Edge browser, Google Chrome, whatever it is, the browser you can select here. So you can see the browser logo. What is the browser logo here? ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుందా browser logo అనేసి?
Yes.
What
Yes,
is
yes.
that logo it is? It's a Chrome.
Chrome. Yeah.
It's a Chrome. So once it is selected, what are the tabs you are opened to connect it to the website, like a Google, Facebook, Instagram. So like that. So this particular sites, whether it is as per the transport layer protocol and HTTP protocol versions, what they are using, we can easily find out that. Sometimes users are reporting that my website is not working. The particular website, internal website is not working, showing that HTTP error. So we need to find out, as per the trend, HTTP 1.1 version is required to view the website here. And the same way, transmission layer protocol service also 1.3 version we need to use it. The status code 200 means it's a successfully you are able to connect it. So if this information you are able to access it, that means your page is working fine. Otherwise, no. And the same way, if the if the website is running with the port number 443, okay, and it will be showing as a lock symbol, that means the particular website is completely secured. So this is a way we can find out the particular sites are able to access or not accessible. We can check that. So this is called Fiddler tool. But this type of inventory information we're not able to find out from the sys internal tools. We need to buy the third-party tools only. So in case if any high-level issues, you can approach your team. They will sponsor maybe any tools are available in the project. They will share with you. Otherwise, you don't want to download from internet and you don't want to show it. That's become a big problem. Okay, you have everyone. Uh, you have to reach to the you have security team is there, application team. They will purchase the tool from internet and they will share with you. So based on that, you can use it. You don't want to directly go to. Am I audible?
Yes, no.
Okay, actually, some internet disconnection happened. The tool is now closed. So once again, repeating, this Fiddler tool, we cannot say like that we can directly use in our production environment. First, we need to get approval from the security operations team, whether I can use it or not. Every team, every company has an application governance team is there, whether we need to use this application in our environment or not. Even though it's a Microsoft tool, even though it is a very popular tool, if the company is allowed, then only you can use it. Example, Git application we should not use in a company. Very few projects only they're using it. So every company has some own strategy, security rules are they're following. So based on that, we need to obey the rules. So if you want to monitor the application from the Chrome, whether it is working or not, so and so websites, you can directly go to Fiddler. Downloading is not correct. Okay. So next, one more tool also is there. That tool is Wireshark tool. Wireshark. Okay. So Wireshark also is one of the popular network capturing tool. Okay. So this will be used by most of the network engineers. They'll be monitoring the packet analyzers. Okay. So what is the protocols they're using? And they're using this particular tool. It's a free tool and paid tool also is available. And if you click this, there's a different tools are available. Suppose if Windows 64-bit system, if you need that, you can directly download this particular software. And I think my C drive is getting full. I need to clean up some space. I have only 1 GBs left. But when you want to run this particular Wireshark, both end you need to run this particular and you can collect the logs. Then only you're able to find out what is exact cause it is. If you only one side, if you are checking, other side, if you're not checking and giving your judgment, that is not correct. So Wireshark means network capturing from source to destination, whether what is the communication is happening or not, that you can check that. And you have a lot of knowledge to view the Wireshark information. You need a basic knowledge on networking side, like IP addressing and binary system, broadcast system, at least the information you need to know about it. So in this batch, a few people are already attended my networking session. What is meaning of binary system? When IP address 4, how they are creating the backend story, I have explained it. If all zeros, all ones, the concept I explained. So if you are open that Wireshark, you'll get the complete information about the network packet capturing options. I think the software is successfully downloaded. Let's go to the download option, right click and run as administrator. These are supporting tools, npcap, that also I'm installing in this system. Mostly this software they're using in the data center, and they're configuring it. So for capturing of the server monitoring end to end, so whether the packets are correctly going or not, they'll be capturing like every 2 hours once. The data capturing packets will be reviewed by the senior administrators, the network administrator, and any kind of glitch in the network, they're trying to fix it and avoiding the communications. But still, this tool, we should not use it in some production environment. Because of if you're capturing that, so most of the information will get explode. Okay. So by using that IP address information, maybe anybody can hack directly to the servers. So even that the Wireshark softwares you should not use without a permission from the SecOps team. So now I'll manually reboot later and click finish. I'll go to the Wireshark. This is a console you'll get. It is asking for reboot. Now this is a capturing any particular network adapter I want to monitor. The particular network adapter I need to select. Suppose in my system, there's a multiple network adapters are there. You know how to find out ncpa.cpl. Once you open this, we have a 4 adapters are there. One is a Bluetooth adapter, Ethernet adapter, Wi-Fi adapter. But I was not connected Wi-Fi adapter, Ethernet adapter only I connected today with the wire. So I'm selecting Ethernet adapter. I'm selecting and click start capturing the packet. Okay. And I need a permissions. What is the source and what is the destination connectivity? Each and everything will get connected. See guys, the source, destination, source, destination, source, destination, everything will get connected. So this is one of the best tool in the real-time world to find out the traffic between the source to destination, what type of communication was happening, and we can read the complete information by using this binary system. And this is actually binary system information. The detailed view packets, how many packets was sent and how many frames are created, and what is the Ethernet channel, what is the protocol version they used it, what is the data protocols we have used it, and the session traveling time and the data usage, everything will be showing in this particular detail section. Detail section. So source means my system, so that you can go ahead in the run prompt cmd and IP config. My system IP address is 107. This is a 107. Destination, I don't know what is the destination is going now. I'm getting connected right now. 52.114.81.37. So right now I'm accessing some many applications, right? Okay. Through internet. So there's so many IPs are I'm connecting from the internet world. So many IPs I'm connecting regularly. Is that clear? So now you can stop the capturing, then you can analyze it. So keep on, if you are keep on monitoring, you're not able to find out it. Once you stop it, you can monitor this particular system. So up to that, so whatever the packets are captured, that will be stored here and you can analyze this. Recently, DHCP concept I explained. Yes or no? Recently, DHCP concept I explained. Last 3-4 classes, I think so. Now, DHCP concept.
Yes, Rajesh.
Yes, yes.
So the DHCP protocols, when DORA process that you can easily filtered in this particular Wireshark. I will check that. Get DORA process in DHCP with Wireshark. వీడియో చూద్దాం. Okay, DHCP discover, DHCP offer, DHCP request, DHCP acknowledgement. So these packets, how we are finding from the Wireshark, let's you can see this. Okay, there's some video from YouTube that we are seeing it. So basically there's a two ports I already told you. So 68 and 67. Okay. So now what is explaining it? So this is a client mission. Right now, this mission is not assigned any IP address. They are setting up the automatic IP address option. That's a DHCP option. So once this IP is received by this system, how Wireshark will get captured from the source to destination, the concept is explaining in this video. Okay, listen carefully. So if the request is coming from the client to the server, and server will be to the client, again client to the server, server to the client. This is a journey from to from, like that option will be there. Okay, so all the options, either Wireshark will captured or not, we can see this. Actually, currently this video probably is a old video. The Wireshark also, it's a old one. Now recapturing the packets. Now in the client mission, IP config release renew, they're running it. Release renew. That means what are the IP addresses currently is available, that is they removed it, and again they renew the IP address. That means it's rediscovering the DHCP server and getting an IP address from the DHCP server. That's a concept called IP config renew. So once renew is started, the DORA process will start. Now we can see this. Now they stop the packets. Now they stop the packets and you can see the detailed information about the packet information. See guys, there is a packet information is a DHCP offer. The IP address is given from the DHCP server 192.168.2.1. So which is coming from the broadcast network. So who is the provided protocol is DHCP. So now you can see that DHCP offer request acknowledge. Okay. So ORA. So DHCP offer, DHCP request, DHCP acknowledgement. So if maybe if you go on the top, maybe DHCP discover also is there. This is called a packet capturing and packet filtering and packet finding. So we'll be doing with the Wireshark tool. Understand? Any question? Am I audible, Raja? Preeti?
Yes, audible. Yeah,
Yes.
audible, Rajesh.
Okay. So now we understand one of the live scenario. So the recently whatever we discussed in the DHCP DORA process, that
Yes,
how
yes.
we are really identifying with the Wireshark tool. This is a best example for you.
Okay.
Suppose I told you even that troubleshooting also. If the DHCP server is not working, if the DHCP server is down, okay, what is the IP address we'll get? What is that IP address name? If the network is down or maybe DHCP server is not able to accessible, DHCP server IP addresses are completely utilized. There is no IP address from the DHCP. So then what is the IP address will be assigned to the client, automatic IP. I already given the clue. APIPA. APIPA address, correct, Kavita. So even if the APIPA address also capturing, if you're able to get it here. So you can see that before DHCP, what is the IP address here? What is IP address here? 169.254. What is the 169.254? APIPA address. Yes or no? So previously, this is APIPA IP address is there. Then it is changed to 2.1. Yes or no? So this is a way each and every concept will be, we can easily analyze with this kind of tools. You have to spend more time and you can get, do some research and gain more knowledge. So thank you all. So in the next class, we are going back to the tools only. So tools means the main monitoring tools. Right now we have explained about the client side, small tools we explained it. So services based, server based, server based monitoring that we will start from tomorrow. That is already we discussed the Nagios. We'll come back to the Nagios and we will be monitoring the server. So these all informations, these tools are developed and with the agents, we are monitoring and displaying on the dashboard. That's the main concept of monitoring. So most of the people you are learning VM creation, database creation, in these are the topics you are learning. So that is very easy concept. In case if the server is not performing well, performance level issues, how you can troubleshoot, that's a very big issues. Most of the people are depending on to others. So if you have a complete knowledge and if you are start working on the tools and services, you at least you will identify what is the problem on the server. So please work on that. Thank you. And don't forget to install the Nagio server previously. Please check the record and you have to do that.
Hello, sir.
And let me stop the record.